Creating emojis can be a fun and artistic endeavor. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to design your own emojis. 1. Conceptualization. Decide on the type of emoji you want to create. Consider the emotion, object, or character that your emoji will represent. It's essential to have a clear vision of the theme and purpose your emoji will serve. 2. Research. Look into existing emojis to understand the common styles and categories. This will help you ensure your emoji is recognizable and fits within the range of expressions already available. 3. Sketching. Start with simple sketches on paper. Outline different shapes and expressions to explore how your emoji might look. Focus on clarity and simplicity since emojis are often viewed in small sizes. 4. Digital design. Once you're happy with your sketch, transfer your design to a digital platform. You can use graphic design tools like Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, or free alternatives like GIMP and Krita. Use vector graphics to ensure your emoji can be resized without losing quality. 5. Coloring and shading. Choose colors that are bright and easy to distinguish. Emojis should have a cartoony, pop art feel. Use shading to add depth, but keep it minimal as clarity is crucial. 6. Testing. Scale your emoji down to its intended size and test it on different backgrounds and devices. It's important that your emoji remains clear and effective across various platforms. 7. Final adjustments. Make any necessary changes to improve the design. Seek feedback from others to see how they interpret the emoji. 8. File format. Save your emoji in a versatile file format, such as PNG for raster or SVG for vector, to ensure it can be used across multiple devices and software. 9. Submission. If you aim to have your emoji included in a broader set, like the Unicode set, you will need to submit it to the appropriate body, like the Unicode Consortium, following their guidelines and process for submission. By following these steps, you can create fun and expressive emojis that convey the messages and emotions you imagine. Emojis add a splash of personality to digital communication, and with your creativity, new ones can thrive in this colorful palette.